I'm so excited to talk to you guys about the newest Asavea straightening brush. I'm so excited to talk to you guys about the newest Asavea straightening brush. If you've never used a straightening brush, you have been missing out. This is this is the Adore or the Adore, and it's really, really sleek and beautiful, easy to use, and it works so quickly. This is what the straightening brush looks like. It's a beautiful, sleek design, silver, absolutely gorgeous. It has 67 bristles, which is definitely more bristles than they've ever had before. It has an awesome mirror, which can come in handy to check the back of your head. The way that I like to use it is the mirror that I'm standing in front of to straighten my hair. Whenever I'm all done, I will turn around and I will look at the mirror that I was using with this mirror, and I will be able to see the back of my head and make sure that I've gotten all the way to the roots, that there's no kinks, there's no curls, that it just looks smooth back there. So I really found that really handy. Also, there's 3 settings: hot, medium, and low. Really, really easy. Hot is for coarse, curly, medium coarse to coarse and curly hair, kind of like me. I love the hot setting. If you have fine hair, you should have wavy hair, low will work just so great for you, and medium works for all of the in-betweens. I love that this heats up so quickly. It heats up in 60 seconds, which is absolutely amazing, so you can get to where you need to get to very, very quickly. Also, I've talked about this before, I love this swivel cord. It helps to make sure that you don't get tangled up in your cords. There's nothing worse than doing your hair, being in a rush, and getting tangled up in your cords. So this is a great option for those of you guys that want an easy, foolproof way to get smooth, straight hair. And I'm gonna show you how to do that today. I'm gonna show you how I went from this curly hair to this beautiful, straight, smooth hair. And it's super easy, it's super quick, so let's get to it. To get you just as excited about this as I am. I love this hair straightening brush. You definitely need to give it a try. And now you know how to use it. So easy and simple. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.